ADT installation. So that is already there with us. Okay. Then once you click on the start examination, you will be having the button as shown over here. That is access practice system. I think everyone can see this, right? Access practice system.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So once you click on that access practice system, you will be having this page. Okay. What you have to do is you just need to copy and paste this link. Okay. And then you have to paste it while creating the, whenever it is asking for you the URL service key, right? So this is your service key that we have to copy. And then you need to create the package. And the name of the package should be your exam seat number. And your seat number will be,
Ma'am,
you can,
can you
yeah.
record this session, ma'am?
Okay, let me just record it. Okay. So all of you have done till this part, right? Booking the slot. Now, on the day of the examination, you need to click on the start certification exam. And if you have booked the exam slot at 1:30 p.m., it will start exactly at 1:30 p.m., not before that. Okay, it will be disabled. Okay, once it is 1:30 p.m., that means your time of the exam, you will get these kind of message on your screen. Your exam is ready for you to start. Okay, then you need to click on the system-based assessment and then start the certification exam. Once you click on the start the certification exam, you will be having your group number over here also. Okay. On scrolling the same screen, you will be having the task, certification task. Step 2 is certification task. Step 1 we already have done, right? Step 2 is to download the task PDF in which all the task has been written, what you have to do, how, what you need to copy, which kind of package you need to create and all. Okay. And step 3 is you need to confirm the completion, that is the submission of the task will be done by clicking on this button. Now, what was happened with me that I am sharing with you? See, if you have taken 1:30 p.m. slot, before, I mean, try to complete it by, 4:10 maximum, so that if this page is creating any problem, we will be having the time duration to solve it. Okay. The issue is something like this, that it may get sign out, it may get time, it may get you error like your certification exam is not started, right? Even if you have started and doing all the thing, then also it is getting some this kind of error. Okay, we don't need to do anything, we just need to refresh the page and sign in again. Okay, and try to again confirm the completion. Before you click on confirm completion, try to activate each and everything, whatever you have performed. Okay. So here is the practice system. Once you click on that, this practice system will also get signed out automatically after some time. So say for example, 1:30 p.m. you have started your exam. Just by 2:15 or 2:20, just go on to this page and try to refresh it or log in it again. Okay. Um, and this will be till.com you have to click, right? You have to copy. Okay. And that is your service key. Wherever you are copying while creating the package of your exam, you have to copy it. Okay. And you have done with your exam package. So very first task is to log into the system, that we have done. Then copying the link and all, right? Click on that and paste it into the incognito mode. Okay. Open Eclipse and create the new ABAP project. Okay, whatever your seat number is there, that should be replaced over here. Now actual exam start with the exam task 3. So if you haven't done this much things, you won't be able to do the actual exam. Now the task 3 is create package. Okay. So what you need to do, how you need to do, everything is mentioned in this PDF. So my suggestion is you just do the task priorly. these 2-3 tasks priorly you can do in your Eclipse, okay, with the practice package. And the same code, if it is executing successfully, the same code you can just copy and paste into the exam package if the task is same. Okay, say for example, here it is asking you to create the two classes, flight class and passenger class. So try to execute this with the code, okay, which is the flight class and passenger class, which is already given over here, right? You just need to change the name of the class over here. It is 1637 for my seat number. Whatever your seat number is, for example, 1000. So you have to replace that thing only. Okay. Then whenever it is whatever names you are giving, that you have to replace. Once you execute this in your system, you will be easily do it during the exam. Okay, you don't need to write the code at your own. You just need to copy and paste, but how you are copying, where you are copying, what names you are giving, and how to execute it, that is most important. We just need to save and activate the class. Okay, this is task 5. So task 4 is to create the two classes, that is flight and passenger class. Okay, and the code is already given, you just need to successfully execute it. Okay, now where you have to change, see, this is my super class 1637 flight definition, that is my super class. Okay, now in the subclass, because I am inheriting the things. Okay, so I have written my class name, that is ZCL1637 flight, inheriting from that particular class. Okay, this is my parent class. So whatever your class name is there, you have to replace it from here. Otherwise, you will get the error. Only this much thing you need to change. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now this is the CDS views, right? That so you need to replace this CDS view with your name. If you are giving the same name, it may take you that the name is already there. So you need to change the name, right? So say for example, I have given the name ZICA ABAP D passenger, for example, my seat number 1000. Okay, so you have to change that also over here. So don't blindly copy and paste the things. Okay, but you have to understand where you need to do the changes. Okay, that was task 4. Okay, it's just the exception handling, creating the two class and inheriting the other class. Okay, and this is the task 5 where we need to read the list of the flight connections. Okay, see, everything is mentioned. Okay, hints are also given to you. The class is given to you, right? Then task 6 is very important, that is RAP. If you are not aware of RAP, you just go through that session recordings. Okay, one session I have taken on this in last month. You will find recording in the link. WhatsApp message is there, right? You'll find the link in that, and steps are given over here. According to that, you have to create the table. Okay, then you need to create the ABAP repository objects. This everything is going to be done by itself. You just need to follow the steps. Okay, and it will create the ABAP, the RAP objects. Okay, and here what you need to change, it is highlighted, right? In step 4, what you need to do, that is also highlighted. Then generate and implement the determination method, what to do, how to do, everything is mentioned over here, right? And then this also you need to just copy and paste. You need to create one class, that is SCZR travel, and this has been copied from the built-in travel class, which is already there in our ADT. Okay, so I have just copied and paste over here, and we need to just uh, activate it. Okay, now how to taste the result? So we need to open the service binding. We need to click on publish and check the preview. Once you click on the publish, it will take some time, right? And after that, you will be redirected to the Fiori Launchpad. Okay. In task 6, you will find the Fiori Launchpad. I will show you. Uh, this will be the output of the this is how your task 6 will look like. Okay. Once you click on the preview, it will take you. You can see over here. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see over here, it is written that local service endpoint, right? So right now it is publish because I have clicked on the button publish. That's why here initially you will get the publish button. Right now I'm having unpublished, right? So what you need to do, you need to click on the publish button. Once it is published, okay, the service URL will be generated and you will have this on your screen, Fiori Launchpad. Okay. So that is your task 6. Now talking about task 7, very simple, but it may take time, right? We need to create a CDS access control. Okay. And for that, what we need to do, we need to create where we need to go, what we need to duplicate, everything is written over here. So we need to copy this ZC ABAP D agency, right? And then we need to copy it into the our CDS view, right? So if you do not find the option by clicking right duplicate, you just can find this, okay? And you can just copy and paste it manually. Okay, that was the problem which I was facing. Like if I just search in my Eclipse for this particular thing, I was not able to duplicate it. Okay, if I just right click, it should give me the option of duplicate, but it was not giving me. So what I did, I just double click on that and I just copy and paste the code and then I just fill it in my Z1000 agency, whatever the name of the file is in that particular thing, and just activate it. Okay, then create the access control. So how to create the access control? The steps are written over here, right? And this is the code. The same code you have to copy and paste. Do not change anything. Okay, same code, and then just save it and activate it. Okay, this was the task 7. Okay, task 8. And whenever you feel that this particular task is taking too much time, you can just navigate to the next task. Okay, because it is not I mean connected, right? So if you think that task 7 is not getting done, leave it. Just go to task 8. Okay, whatever task it is there, you have to see this is also very simple task. You just need to create one class. Okay, no agency class, and that too we need to copy from the inbuilt agency class which is written over here. Okay, see, copy and paste the class. So ZCL find agency model. Okay, so that you have to find in the project explorer, which is there which is there on left hand side of the Eclipse, right? And then you can find this particular class, copy and paste. Again, I'm telling you, if you don't find the option duplicate by clicking on right click on this particular, then what you can do, you just double click it, open it, copy and paste all the code and just paste it in your class. I hope I'm clear.
Yes.
Anyone is having any doubt, you can ask me right now. See, these things may look difficult right now because you may have not executed it at your own. If you are having exam tomorrow, you still have time. Sit today night, right? And then try to perform the things. Once you perform the things, there will be two advantage. One is you can just copy and paste the code which is already executed in your system, right? And uh, only you need to change the name of the class as I just mentioned, because we need to give the seat number as exam number and the exam package will be different. Okay, so you have to create the practice package, right? And yes, you will not find that particular package right now in the uh, Jalpit. Yes, you will not be able to find this particular package right now. It will be there after you start the exam. Okay. So once you have done everything, it will be easy for you. It will grow the confidence also, right? That yes, I can complete this task in 3 hours. That is the most important thing. So though we are having the task, we know the question paper, then also we will be, I mean, confused at the time of the examination. So to avoid that kind of a confusion, you can just sit down before your exam. Okay, give your 3 hours, 4 hours, and just execute all the tasks. Okay. Yes, I'm talking about task 4. Yes, Jalpit. I'm not talking about all the tasks, okay, because you will not be able to find the agency and all, okay. But task 8 you can perform, task 4 you can perform, okay. 6 you will not be able to perform. So whatever task which is already there, which is not requiring this exam package, that you can perform before your exam. So at least that particular time will be reduced, right? You just need to copy and paste. And for confidence also, you are already having this. But if you do directly this task into the examination, it may be difficult for you to understand that what to do, how to navigate and all, right? This 8 can also be performed, okay, in your system. Only one class we need to create, right? And we need to activate it. It is also about exception handling, I think. Yes, exception handling. Okay. And task 9 is also very simple. We just need to create the structure type and table type. Okay, this is the structure. If you activate it on the successful completion, you will be able to see this. Okay, on the left hand side, you can see in the outline. Okay, that all the attributes have been activated. And then we need to create the table type. Okay, once you create the table type, from here you can just select. The table type should be hash table. It is already mentioned in the task that what you have to do. Okay, right click on this and create the table type. Okay, the sections will show this. Okay, so accordingly you have to just choose. Okay, category dictionary type, then browse your particular structure. So name of the structure will be here. Right now it is, you can see Z1637 customer. Okay, so whatever your structure name is, that you have to click, right? Then here we need to choose key category unique, key definition. You need to select key component. Here you should click on primary key, and once you click on the customer ID, you should be able to navigate on this particular structure. And if it is done, your task 9 is, we just need to again activate it. If clicking on this customer ID, okay, if you click on the add components, key components, and type customer ID, and if it turns into blue color, and if you click on this customer ID, if you are navigated to this particular table, your task is done. Okay, again we need to just save it and control it. Sorry, activate it with Control F3. So that is your task 9. Task 9 won't take much time. It will hardly take 5 to 7 minutes. So divide your time accordingly and perform task 4, 5, and 8 before your exam. 6 and 7 you can do at the time of the examination only. I hope I'm clear with the whole PDF. How to start the exam and where it will show the answer is correct or not during. See, there is no class which is executable class. So there will be no the console output. Okay. Only in task 6, you will be having the output on Fiori Launchpad. See, Jalpit, we can't, I mean, give the surety that this only this task will be there. But we have observed that these were the tasks during 2, 3 exams, right? So yes, if it is still this task are there in the exam, then you can definitely go for this PDF. Okay. So if it is activated successfully, right? There is no error. That means you have done it, perform it correctly. Any other queries?
मैम सब टास्क अलग अलग परफॉर्म करने होंगे या एक ही साथ?
अलग अलग मतलब सबके क्लास तो अलग ही हैं, राइट? एग्जाम पैकेज में ही आपको सब क्लासेस बनाने हैं। जैसे जैसे मेंशन किया गया है टास्क में, वैसे वैसे आपको क्लास में सॉरी पैकेज में क्लासेस बनाते रहना है। सेम पैकेज, एग्जाम पैकेज में ही सब कुछ करना है। वन बाय
जो
वन करना है
टास्क
जैसे।
में दिए गए हैं उसी प्रकार से आएगी ना एग्जाम में?
हाँ हाँ, उसी प्रकार से आएंगे। सो इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये वाला पीडीएफ आप अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर लेना। जो भी आप परफॉर्म कर पाए, जैसे मैंने बोला 4th आप परफॉर्म कर पाओगे, 8 भी परफॉर्म कर पाओगे, 6 नहीं कर पाओगे, ठीक है? 5 भी कर पाओगे परफॉर्म। तो वो सब पहले से परफॉर्म करके रखना। व्हाट इफ ओनली दीज टास्क हैव बीन आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन? If the set of the task is same, then your 4, 5 and task 8 is already done. You just need to copy and paste the code, right, in your exam package and activate it. Just change the name of the classes and you are done with the 3 classes. Three tasks actually. So you will get more time to perform the other task. And if we get different tasks, but steps to perform task will be given or not? Yes. So if the different task will be there, at the very first of this PDF, I told you that here it will be showing you the task PDF at the time of the examination. Once you have started your exam, right? Here you can find the task PDF. This. See, this kind of PDF will be given. Each and everything is mentioned over here. But to read these, to understand these, and to perform these, that too in 3 hours will be difficult for us. Okay, so that's why I just gone through the tasks which are already there, which were already asked in the examination. So if you have been asked with the same task, so it is your luck, right? So perform it very well, and they have mentioned each and everything. See, and they have also given what the result you can get. Okay. Any other doubts? That I need to ask that whether I can share the PDF or not. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
tomorrow 4:30 I am having the exam, ma'am.
Okay.
So if I get any other task, then I can contact you, ma'am.
Uh, yes, I mean, you can drop a message to me because it's a long weekend and I'm out for the weekend. So once I'll be able to connect with you, I'll be connecting with you.
Okay.
Maybe my phone might it might happen that my phone is unreachable or something like that. You drop a message.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am,
Any
the
other
exam
thing?
will be 3 hours, ma'am.
Yes, yes, 3 hours.
3 hours. Ma'am,
Okay. But
if I start late exam, if anything happen, ma'am, if 10 minutes or 20 minutes is late, at
no,
that
you
time
need to
only I
start.
need to
No, no,
start.
you need to start at 4:30 only. The timer will start.
Okay. And after completing all the tasks, I need to confirm that,
Confirm
ma'am.
the completion. Yes, you need to click on the confirm completion over here. And
Okay.
if you click on this and if you are finding the error, right? As I told you that this kind of message will be shown on your page that you haven't started the examination, something like that. So don't panic in that condition. You just log in to the system again, okay? And confirm the completion. And if you feel that this is the issue from their side, any kind of issue, I'm telling everyone, just take a screenshot so we can raise a query. We should have proof, right? If anything goes wrong, then we should have proof. So take a screenshot, safer side, and share it with us. Yes, you will get the result immediately. I mean, after 2, 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Okay. I hope it is clear to everyone now. So we can conclude the call, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. All the best, everyone. Do well and share your result once you clear the exam. You will be able to clear the exam, everyone. Thanks for joining and drop a message for any kind of query.